Is it snowing? It's not often we get this kind of snow here. Kitty's not out there, I'm sorry. Look at the snow. Oh, there's the doggy though.
Which doggy?
That big black dog.
Oh.
Alright, so we are here. It's Saturday morning. And it's snow flurries outside. A whole lot of it too. Baby's looking out the window at the snow. So this is an update. This is about the fourth day this is running. Baby really likes it. It has this big knob on here. Turn it on and off. And actually it ran out of water last night. We didn't have enough water to fill it up. So it ran out and it just automatically stopped. But it's been going pretty good. It's been running pretty good. Since we got it, no issues so far. Baby really likes the light that it comes with. Use your thumb. If you use your index finger, it doesn't get so much surface area, so it's harder to turn on and off. But if you use your thumb, it's a lot easier to turn the light on and off. Let's see. Watch. Use your thumb. Turns the light on. Off. If you use your index finger, sometimes it will not come on. Sometimes it will, but use your thumb. It's a bit more surface area. So that's a quick update on this. Baby seems to like it. We got it because he has nasal congestion. Need help? And he has been having trouble sleeping at night. But it seems to be helping with his nose. And he's breathing a lot easier, and it's a diffuser and humidifier all in one. Alright, we'll give it an update. Maybe after a few more days of working with it. We'll fill it up with water too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can count on